To fix the error code F1E0 on a Maytag stove, it's essential to understand what this code indicates. The error code F1E0 signifies that one or more keys are permanently pressed, which can be caused by a dirty or greasy touch control panel or a fault with the control board. To resolve this issue, start by cleaning the touch control panel. Unplug the stove from the power supply. Remove any debris, and use a soft material and detergent to thoroughly clean the panel, ensuring it's free of greasy or food residue. Then, wipe it dry with a soft material and reconnect the stove to the power supply. If the issue persists, try restarting the stove by switching off the power supply at the circuit breaker, waiting for up to a minute to reset any control board faults, and then turning it back on. Monitor the stove to ensure the issue is resolved. If the error code F1E0 reappears, it's recommended to contact a professional for further assistance.